The Sindh University campus, Larkana. Department of Business Administration, batch 2K18. Start the name of Allah, who is most creator and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here I am Farhana Memon and I am going to present my presentation on some topics. Let's watch. Risk management. Risk management is a process that allows individual risk events and overall risk to be understood and managed proactively, optimizing success by minimizing threats and maximizing opportunities. Risk management process. This risk management process consists of a series of steps that, when undertaken in sequence, enable continual improvement in decision making. Step 1, identify the risk. Step 2, analyze the risk. Step 3, evaluate or assess the risk. Step 4, treat or manage the risk. Step 5, monitor and review the risk. Importance of risk management. Success planning helps with preparation, helps evaluation, maximizing results. Advantages of risk management. Benefits of risk identification, treatment of risks, minimization of risk, awareness about the risk, successful business strategies, new opportunities, protecting resources, corporation, sole proprietorship, partnership, forms of business organizations, sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation. Number 1, sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is a business owned and operated by one individual, or on the ownership and management of a business or in control of one individual. The forms of business is called the sole proprietorship. Number 2, partnership. A partnership consists of two or more individuals in business together. Number 3, corporation. A corporation is a legal entity created by a state, and it is separate and distinct from its owners and managers. It comes into formation after all formalities. Management and ownership is completely separated. Capital is raised through shares, which is transferable. Risk. Business risk. The term business risk refers to the possibility of inadequate profit or even losses due to uncertainties or unexpected events. In business, a risk means that a company's or an organization plans may not turn out as originally planned, or that it may not meet its target. Nature of business risk. Business risk arise to due uncertainties. Risk is an essential part of every business. Degree of risk depends mainly upon the nature and size of business. Profit is the reward for rising taking. Types of business risk. Number 1, speculative risk. It refers to the type of risk which involves both the possibility of gain as well as loss. Number 2, pure risk. It is a type of risk which involves the possibility of loss or no loss. Their occurrence may result in loss, whereas non-occur may explain the absence of loss. Causes of business risk. Nature causes, economic causes, human causes, other causes, political disturbance, mechanical failure. Minimizing risk management. Market research, new techniques, effective management, ensuring goods, classification of business risk. Business risk. Strategic risk, financial risk, operational risk, compliance risk, reputation risk. Liquidity risk. Liquidity risk is the potential for loss to an institution arising from either its inability to meet its obligations or to fund increase in assets as they fall due to without incurring considerable costs. Liquidity risk also refers to the chance that you won't be able to sell an asset quickly when its value reaches a certain point. Types of liquidity risk. Number 1, funding liquidity risk. Number 2, market liquidity risk. Number 1, funding liquidity risk. Funding liquidity risk is the risk that a bank will be unable to pay its debts when they fall due. Number 2, market liquidity risk. Market liquidity risk, on the other hand, is the risk of not being able to sell assets in a timely fashion without having to offer a heavy discount. How to avoid liquidity risk? A diverse portfolio consists of investments that you can sell right away, such as bonds, as well as long-term investment. Minimizing debt. For a bank or financial firm, liquidity risk means that an investment may not be ready to be sold to cover debt. These institutions can be avoid liquidity risk by minimizing their debts, borrowing only as much as they need to cover short-term debt, and making plans to sell off investments in the future in order to cover longer-term debts instead of borrowing even more.